The universe is infinite, in which innumerable objects are moving. Some are small and some are big bodies. Many of them are also meteorites and comets. Comet is also called tail star. A burning tail is visible behind it, hence it is also called tail star. Comets move faster than meteorites. Billions of comets are orbiting the sun at the edge of our solar system. Asteroid is also called meteorite or asteroid in Hindi. It is also called meteorite. Comet has 4 parts. The first, nucleus, which is made of a mixture of ice, gas and dust. Second, hydrogen cloud. Third, dust balloon. Fourth, coma, which are a group of dense clouds made of a mixture of water, carbon dioxide and other gases. The fifth, ion tail, means the tail which is formed only when it comes in contact with the sun. This tail which is full of plasma and rays. Comets take thousands and sometimes millions of years to complete one orbit around the sun. Although there are some comets which take 100 or hundreds of years. The size of some of these comets is equal to a body of a few kilometers, while some are equal to the moon, and when they come close to the sun while orbiting, they become very hot and spread gas and dust, which due to this, giant glowing bodies are formed which look like Earth-like planets. When comets are near the sun, they start burning and then their head looks like a shining star and the tail looks very bright. The head is their nucleus. Means there is a center. Then when they move away from the sun, then again taking this solid form, the dust and ice again freezes in the nucleus. Due to which their tail becomes smaller and often they become tailless. It is said that 6.5 million years ago, the celestial body that wiped out 70% of the creatures, including dinosaurs from the Earth, was not a meteorite but a comet. Due to this, all the giant animals were destroyed by colliding with the Earth. Every comet has a fixed time to return. The most famous, Halley's Comet, was last visible in 1986. Next time it will appear in 1986 plus 76 is equal to 2062. The orbital period of Halley's Comet is 76 years. Those who were born in 1970 or 71 or earlier must have seen this comet. Comets are named after their discoverers, such as Halley's, which was named after the astronomer Edmund Halley. 1. Sky is not space. Space is such a place where there is no air, but there is air in the sky. After a certain height, about 100 kilometers above, the sky ends, then space begins. 2. Sound does not travel. Space is a vacuum where you cannot hear sound. A medium is required to hear sound. 3. These are in space. All planets, satellites, constellations, stars, meteorites, galaxies, magnetic fields and black holes are present in space. Dust particles and gases are present in the space between 2 planets or 2 stars. 4. Dangerous radiation. Along with the above, there is dangerous radiation in space, such as infrared rays, ultraviolet rays, X-rays, gamma rays, cosmic rays, and magnetic field. 5. Space is black. There is no air in space and there is no oxygen either. That is why it remains dark here. If there is light only because of stars like the sun, then that too only on the planets. 6. Light year. Space is measured through light year. 7. Dimensions. Scientists say that there can be 10 dimensions in the universe, but broadly our universe is 3-dimensional. The first dimension is up and down, the second is right and left, the third is forward and backward. This is called 3D. There is also a fourth dimension called time. You can feel time moving forward. We can't go back on this. 8. How big is the space? No one knows and cannot tell, because it is eternal and infinite. 9. Parts of space. There are mainly 4 parts of the space near our Earth. 1. Geospace. 2. Interplanetary space. 3. Interstellar space. 4. Intergalactic space. Matter, dark matter and antimatter are discussed a lot in science. One is matter and the other is dark matter and the third is antimatter. Whatever is visible is matter. Matter means substance. Our body and what we see is all that matters. Antimatter is believed to be virtual, but dark is the power of matter. 10. There is infinite mystery in space. There are millions of galaxies in space, in which millions of suns, stars, moons, Earth, planets, satellites, meteors and black holes are there. Scientists have found numerous constellations in our galaxy. The name of our galaxy is the Milky Way, in which we live on Earth. It is believed that in this galaxy there can be life on planets like Earth, where many times more intelligent humans than humans live. So far more than 800 galaxies have been discovered in space. Scientists say that there may be about 19 billion galaxies.